quick release. That was fairly undramatic. G'day, and welcome to Hong Kong Eats and Adventures. I'm Steve. Do you like white rice? Well, today we're going to learn about making white rice in the Instant Pot using Amy and Jackie's recipe. And this will be ready in under 15 minutes. So let's go through the steps. This is really simple to do. Okay, step number 1 is wash the rice. We have 1 cup of long grain white rice. Washing white rice is very important. What you want to do is agitate this a little bit with your fingertips. See, the water is kind of a milky color. You want to keep doing this until the white color is gone. So you carefully pour off the water. And then we do it again. We have rinsed and strained that rice. And now we're going to add it to the Instant Pot. Rinsing rice is very important because it gets rid of any excess starch, as well as any of the little creatures that may be living in the rice. So we have added the rice, and going by Amy and Jackie's recipe, it is 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water, 1 to 1. So we will add 1 cup of room temperature water. Sort of even things out in there. Make sure all the rice is in the water. Seal this bad boy up in sealing position. So what are the settings to make this work? We're going to set this on high pressure for 3 minutes. And we're going to follow that by a 10-minute natural release. So let's see how this goes. And we're off. Okay, 10-minute natural release followed by a quick release. That was fairly undramatic. Okay, let's take a look inside. And we have some lovely rice. And my hand is burnt. Now we move on to the taste test. Okay, let's give this a try. Very nicely done. I can safely say that the Amy and Jackie method does indeed work. So 1 to 1 rice and water, 3 minutes on high pressure, a 10-minute natural release, and bada bing, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, that dinger bell, and leave a comment down below. This is Steve from Hong Kong Eats and Adventures saying, okay, peace out, bye.